So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to have a 1.0 line spacing here on Google Docs. So if I just were to go ahead and start typing line spacing just like this, and if I were to like copy and paste this exact thing, I'll copy and paste it a few times. So as you can tell, my line spacing is actually, I believe it's like 2 right now. So if you wanted to change this, you want to make it a little bit smaller. Go ahead and highlight what you want to change. Then go to this middle bar right here. Then go to the far right and press on the A with the underline. Once you're on this page, I want you to go to where it says paragraph, and then below where it says line spacing, simply just go all the way down to where it says 1.00. Go ahead, press the check mark this way, and then when you go ahead here and start a new line, it will stay at 1.0 in regards to line spacing. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to have a 1.0 line spacing on the Google Docs mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.